Welcome to my dream channel. My dream will come true one day. In this session, we will learn about how to install Oracle 10G Express Edition. This software mostly useful who are learning SQL Server and SQL command line. Before this installation, we have to check the .NET Framework 3.0 was installed or not in your system. If not yet installed, I shared this software link in the description area. After this installation, we have to install the Oracle 10G Express Edition. Just open the exe file area. Just double click on the Oracle exe file. For this Oracle 10G software, I already shared in the description area. When you double click on the setup file, that will be extracted which kind of files we need to installation. Means what kind of files we need to loaded in the setup file, that kind of files it will be extracted. Once setup files are extracted, our Oracle database Express Edition is ready to installation. Now here we have to click on the next button. Then in next process here we have license agreement. Once we have to know what kind of license agreements, just you have to read. Then just you can click on the accept agree button. Then you can click on the next button. It will be continue to installation. Here we have a the Oracle 10G software where need to install. By defaultly it will be installed in the local disk drive C. Otherwise, if you need any other area, just click on the browse button and choose the where you need to install the software. Clicking on the next button for installation. During the installation, we have to create the password setup. When you are to interconnected with our database in this situation, here we need to connect by password. The username by defaultly system. Password is it is depends on our user. Now I am here entering 12345. Again I confirm with that password like 12345. Then you can click on the next button. Then you can click on install button. It will be continue to installation. Once we have done the installation, it will be automatically created a shortcut key setup file on the desktop area. Defaultly, our another SQL command line prompt also it will be connected. We need to install the .NET Framework 3.5 edition. Already I told you before this installation. For this setup, I already shared in the description window. Before install this network framework, it will not ask again during the installation. After installation, finally we will get like this window. Just we can click on the finish button. Our installation is completed. Then let's try to connect to our database by using of SQL command line. For that, just we can go with our start button, go with search bar, then type the SQL command line prompt. Click on run SQL command line prompt. See here, run SQL command line additional window will be displayed on the desktop. Here, two ways to connect our internal database. For this connection, just you can type the connect keyword and our username is system. Then use the backslash and type the password. Our password like 12345. This is the one way to connect to our internal database. Just to close this window, again you can search for run SQL command line prompt. I using another method to connect our internal database, like just type the connect and our username is system, then just enter. Automatically it will be asked the password. Just type the password, but that password is not appear to user, but you can enter as usually, then click on enter button, it will be connected automatically. This is the another way. Guys, this is the process for how to install Oracle 10G Express Edition. This kind of installation process is supported for Windows 7, Windows 8, 8.1, Windows 10 and Windows 11.